Good morning, California. Kevin Oliver here, your real estate broker. And today's topic is on how to handle repair negotiations so you don't kill your deal or get stuck with a money pit. After your inspections, you've got options. Ask the seller to make repairs, or request a credit so you can handle the work after closing, or finally, adjust your purchase price. The secret is focusing on big ticket safety issues: electrical, roof, HVAC, or foundation, typically not cosmetic fixes that you can budget for later on. I always present repair requests with clear bids if needed and realistic expectations so you can get what's fair without scaring off the seller. DM me the word repairs and I'll send you my repair request playbook so you know exactly what to ask for and what to let slide. Remember, strong negotiations focus on what really matters. And that's your repair deal maker tip from Good Morning California, and I'll see you on the next one.